Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to make your first chatbot using Python. For developing this chatbot in Python, we are going to use the LLaMA package, which is called by the Python. So most of you are aware about this Ollama, but the ones who are not aware about Ollama, let me give you a quick introduction about it so you can get the broader picture of the Ollama. So Ollama is an open source platform that allows you to run the large language model or AI models locally in your system, which provides you higher level of privacy and control among your AI application that you are building. Here, here you get the pre models which you can utilize for developing your AI application. So for it, you simply need to install one package that install Ollama in your computer. Since Ollama is already installed, it is shown requirement of user required. If it is not installed in your computer, then it might take few minutes or seconds, depending upon your internet speed and your computer hardware. It will get installed. And another thing that you need to do before coding your first model, that is pulling the model from an Ollama server to your local system by simply typing this command and MRT 1 billion parameter model from the Ollama server to our local machine. Since it was previously installed in my system, it is running very quickly and executed. Otherwise, it will take few minutes or even 1 hour to install a model according to your internet speed and your computer hardware. So now let us first import the model, import the Ollama, and from it we are going to list the available models in our system. Lama.list, it becomes Lama.list. Then we are just going to simply print models. Then let me run this Python chatbot.py will give us a long tuple. Now it's list. So there is a list of available models, which you can see Gamma 3 1 billion is present. Another model might be Quen. Quen is also present in my system. So for more efficiently seeing it, let us cover us through this available list and extract the name of the models which we want in our system. So let's do it for right for no. Let me give couple for model, your model, print model of model. Okay, so it should work. Python chatbot.py. Okay, model of model. Okay, it should perform. Yes, it has listed available model in our system. So Gamma 3 is present, LLaMA 3.1 latest is present, Point code of 32 billion parameter is present. This is an extremely large model. If you have a good GPU in your system, then I would suggest to run it, otherwise it will eat up your resources and cause damage to your system on a long run. So I would prefer if you have a low-end device, then you should go for Gamma 3 or a Gamma 3 latest or Queen 70 because the parameters above 7 billion will cause your computer to heat. Even 7 billion is heating in my computer. Since I am not having GPU, I would suggest you to run a small model locally on a system, or if you want to run a large model, then run the good hardware, or otherwise you can use a cloud-based environment where you have good amount of GPU and good resources available to code it. So yes, so Now we are going to take user input for selecting from this list of models. So for it, we just simply need a one change. I is here a counter, and we are going to use enumerate function here. This is basics of Python, and you need to be clear about what are basics. And we are going to start set counter from 1, and we are going to use permitted strings, control V, and yes. Now let's so let us properly frame our model here. Properly frame our application here. Sorry for model word. And yes, it should work fine. Yes, it is working fine. Now we are going to take the choice of the user that which model user wants to run in his or her system. So just simply type it, and we are going to type a simple input program. Whatever the model number you want to communicate. Yes, that is working fine. Now for expecting our selected model, we are going to simply index it. Selected model, also models dot model models of choice minus one dot model, and then we are simply going to print it. We are going step by step by doing a basic printing sequence so we can get idea where our program is crashing and where we need to improve our program. When you select difference and selected model, now let us run it. I think Chatbot.py and set the model because you want to know the which number. No, I want to think the first number model. Choice gauge should not define row spelling mistake. Look choice, I mean because this choice spelling is correct. So yes, these are the basic. When it comes to we are going to counter later on. Yes, so we have got which model we have selected. So now we are going to draft basic prompt or basic memory for our system. So let us draft it. Message. It is going to be list, and here we are going to specify the role. The role is your system. System. This is for providing a context because every time you enter new query to the model is going to forget about your last prompt. So this is for giving the context to your model. Hence we need to provide a context to our model. Like, oh, last time I have communicated this with you, so you should remember it. In larger school, it is doing with a database like DB or any other non-structured SQL databases which can be used for communicating. You, you are I'm going to draft a basic predefined prompt for our model. You are an expert AI system designed to help people and to serve them efficiently by providing the relevant responses as per their queries So let me just for traffic. Yes, it is more silver now. Yes. So now we are going to have simple things like while user input, user input, you, we are going to get you, and user is going to type the prompt here. And now if the user underscore input dot lower in exit quick mm, quick then print lesson goodbye, we are going to make a model good boy, and we are going to simply break our loop here. And now we are going to have the user, we are going to have the user input by processing it response Ollama dot chat Ollama dot chat model model equals to selected model message going to message, and we are going to just simply string it false so to do not encounter any of these problems. So we are just simply going to print our response now. Here we are going to get the response object. Yes, so let us try our basic chatbot now. I am going to use first number model because it is right away. Hello. However, that got an unexpected argument with messages and let me run it again. One, which will become our object now. There is going to be an add, we can take well easily. It is taking too long to respond because hello spelling is wrong. Yes, we have got our object. And let me just take a look at it. Model geometry created at into run reason total duration proper message. Yes, we are going to export message here. Message. Now let us see what is we are getting in message. Let's walk to the quick. Reply. It says goodbye to me. Thank you so. You want to read from the model geometry. So I would say hi. It's taking too long to respond because I don't have efficient CPU to encounter small inventory for this LLM. So let us wait for the response of the model. It will process before that I have forgotten to mention one thing. We need to add the basic context memory. So for doing it, I am just going to do this message dot append list, yes, list role user, and content is going to be our user input, user input. This line gives context memory. This line is very much important because it gives context memory of the previous messages that we have communicated. This line is very much important because it gives the context memory to our model about the previous messages that we have given to the model, and based on it, it is going to reason out our response and it draft a response for us. So yes, we have expected the message. Now we have to expect this content. So for expecting the content, we are just going to again use our indexing steps. Content. Yes. So it will work now. I'm going to type it to email both of us. Yes, it is open. One. Yes. Hi. Let us try to give it a more complex queries like the hi with exclamation mark. So it can think later and if there is any response, we can if there yes, our if there is a yes, so it let us give it a more complex very high because high is a complex query because it has got two special characters with an exclamation mark. So it is assisting you. Yes, and let us see the reading primary to assist you. I think previous one gave more better response. So yes, with small exclamation mark you can make a big difference in your LLM. So we can ask it anything. Hey, draft me a simple Python code for addition of two numbers. It should give us addition of the two numbers, program in Python, and we will later on see whether that code is working or not. Yes, it is not working majorly for the task. It is only accessing this page. Now let us try to view using simple Python code for addition of n number. Let us see whether it will provide us or not. Yes, it is not giving us a proper response. So now let us modify this prompt to give you a more relevant results. So for it, I am going to use Ollama of my local system. Control Shift Ollama 1 Llama 2 1 billion. For we are going to tell it hey bro, unit default one for my terminal based chatbot application. It is also doing the same. We are going to take this a simple prompt and simply just going to replace with our old prompt that we have predefined prompt that we have given. Add it with scaling, IP, data control. Yes, here we have to modify control V, alter C to remove our word left, remove the not working, remove control V, paste it. Since I have multiple design, we need to use multi-line strings here to fix it. Yes, we have fixed our and our code to now let us get back to our model and this is not working. And the basic reason we have put in the non-reasonable prompt behind was to and tell you about how prompt engineering can also affect your how models output. So let us get started here. I think chatbot was done. That is when I want to use. So let us use some another model. No, let us evaluate on same model. Hey, you have just typed a hey. Hey, okay. I understand. Please tell me what domain or you would like me to focus and read to assist. Programming. I want to assist in program system. Please tell me what topic are you interested in? I want to write a Python code for addition of two numbers. Let us see. Okay, it is not. Let me try something to improve it. What it is doing wrong? Oh, yes, we are given with a input, but we want response for our user. Yes, I have figured it out now. So let us see what it is performing on the same query. So that's why it was feeling horribly. I want to use the same error model. Hey, has the LLaMA said, forming massive weights. Let's see what we are wrong with the way. Yes, I have figured it out now. So message also. Message behavior was the correct message, and let me bring it down. Yes, we have better brought it down. Now here we are attending a list. Now it should be correct. Let us try to run it now. Pause. Hey, how are you? Yes, we are in the complex query of station language. We drop the code of the addition of the two numbers in the file. Here, let us see what query it gives. Hello there, I'm doing well. How are you? I'm ready for question on this question. But it's still good. Let me figure out something else. So, trying to realize is so great. So I have found out a way to encounter the context problem of previous message. So for it, firstly, we are appending the message to this message list, and after that, we are giving this message to our model. Then after giving that message to the model, we are expecting our reply. And since we have named it type, it is a name of the model that I have fixed. And after that, the response type our model users, we are also storing it in the in this message list. And that's our final goal. Let us give it a shot. It should work because before the version as you can see, it's not working. Right. and then two numbers of addition and operation and C. Plus plus. Let us wait for the response. The response is used and if you want to you can which line it is executing, you can choose from the Python file to effective Python method, which is our IEND file, basically processing it. Let me see my system status for it. It is processing. Yes, my network memory of the type of a user and CPU is requirement. Let me profile it and let's imagine graphic with 42% extremely high. It should not be below 4.5%, but because in this screen we are going to improve the chatbot. Yes, it has returned its response, but yes, it has given us a code and it has given us step-by-step explanation of what needs to do, the whole each line in the code does what. It's great for us to say. It has done for the Python. So you can say it has also used try and catch block, which is a great sign for us. Hence, we can use this chatbot for our daily use. Tell me about Virat Kohli. Let us see what if the model knows about Virat Kohli. They are going to go totally in for it. Instead, we can create a EXE or a for it for executing every time when we want to. Instead of typing this with the menu, it is processing the required. That's not the yes, it is keeping the resources of my system. Yes, we know that. In my screen, and I will need to grab it to see what is video, video graphics, visualize. Yes, with a totally has been one. And where it has started the level, kind of exactly what the reason I have to write that. Maybe early can say one of the videos was one of the meaningful cases where it said an exceptional talent in the sense of person working for he is a global master. Oh, it is wrong. The police being the claim from providing which needs to correct here. Most run and the place to be the civil in the eye something this. It is also measurable. So two of our has been wrong. It has data up to 2023. So hence this success calculation. Depends for watching. Let us see what is the next one. Watch.